Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings like green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, purple color, light gray color, orange color, neon color, light orange color, brown color, dark green color, black color. Let's start. Pink color, pink color, one. Yellow color, yellow color, two. Blue color, three. Purple color, four. Brown color, five. Red color, six. Light yellow color, seven. Light green color, eight. Orange color, nine. Dark yellow color, zero. Blue color, 10. Black color, 1. O N E 1. 7. S E V E N 7. 0. Z E R O 0. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. 8. E I G H T 8. 5. F I V E 5. 6. S I X 6. 2. T W O 2. 3, T, H, R, E, E, 3. 4, F, O, U, R, 4. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.